Hey guys, welcome to Beastry DIY. I am at Lowe's and I'm going to show you some deals going on from January right now. I know what you're thinking. These are just leftover deals from Christmas and Black Friday, but it is what it is. Let me know what you think in the comments below. First up from Craftsman is a 50-piece razor blade set. And next up for $9.98 is this folding knife with 3 blade storage. And the blades, of course, go back into the actual knife. Pretty standard. They also had this for the same price, this 15-inch panel saw. Pretty standard saw here with the rubberized handle grip, which is nice. Now from Weber for $215, it was $239. They have this 22-inch kettle copper and porcelain enameled grill. And this is what it looks like here, 22 inches. Now as far as my general, what I had seen, they did have some deals on grills and pizza ovens, but not so much on outdoor tools and power equipment, just FYI, which kind of makes sense. Now for the prices above here, these are just some sanding panels here you can attach to your Craftsman tools. This I believe is a 7-piece kit, and below it is a 16-piece kit. And this one does come with a little carrying case, and it comes with, it looks like the multi-tool panel as well. Kobalt had some deals, $249 value, but this is $99 for the 24-volt circular saw kit, $79 for the 1/4-inch brushless impact driver, and then $79 for the brushless cordless drill, and they're saying that's a value of $139. For $14, you get this 23-piece hex key set, and then I believe it's $9 for the 3-piece kit, which has 25 hex keys actually. So down below it, you get these tools. These have been around for years. That's a 25-piece kit. It's the folding hex key set, which is kind of nice if you don't want them all jumbled around, falling all over the place. Now from Craftsman, this is a size large. These are some leather gloves for $11, $54 and $64 for the 3/8 of an inch torque wrench or the 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. Now I'm surprised these are not alarmed up. When I came here during December, these had alarms on them and I actually was not able to pick these up. So I'm kind of surprised here, but hey, I'll take it. So this is the 1/2-inch torque wrench. It's the micrometer torque wrench with a 1-year warranty. And that's going to be $64. It was $105. Now for $5.98 is this 6-in-1 screwdriver. You're getting the high vis with this, with the bright green, nice rubberized handle, and all the different bits. And then right next to it for $5.98 on each of these, you get a high vis, basically folding knife, and then the torpedo level. I need to pick up another torpedo level just to have in my smaller case, but $12.99 is now $9, and it's saying it was $27, or at least the value was $27 before that. You're getting this, I thought they were all 16 inches, so 12, 16, and 25 on these Craftsman tape measures. Now this is a new tool. It's $99 for this DW copper cutter attachment. It was $119, so you see how to use it. I've never used one of these, but they attach to your impact driver. And apparently it's for copper pipes. I think it said a 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch. And then right next to it, it says for 6 times faster cut, it says PVC cutter. It's a DW PVC PEX cutter attachment for $99. And this one was a little bit more expensive at $129, but it's showing you the PVC and the PEX cuts you can make here. $149, it was $199 is a 7 1/4 inch Kobalt. I think it's a single bevel miter saw here. Just a simple miter saw for some DIY stuff around the house. It's got a 3-year warranty. It says 2-inch max cutting vertical capacity. And the one thing I was surprised here is they actually had the saw blade in the saw. Usually they don't have the saw blade like on the display piece, at least, kind of for safety reasons, but I'm assuming this is not plugged in, and kind of am hoping it's not, but this is a buy-one deal from DeWalt. It's a 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound corded miter saw, and now you do get the stand free for this. This is this one on the right. It's $4.99, but it's a really nice saw. It's got the dual bevel feature here. I think it does come with the bag, the sawdust bag as well, but pretty nice saw, but you get the stand. This one on the left, you do not get the stand, but it's $100 off. $229, it was $329. It's this 12-inch compound miter saw from DeWalt. And again, with that one, you just don't get the stand is the only thing. Go ahead and leave a like and leave a comment, guys, on what you think. you know, these deals are. If the deals are crap, if they're fine, they're okay, whatever. I know it's January, but they still have some deals on certain things going on. Now this one I just kind of panned up and showed you is a Kobalt. It's $2.99, and this one is a dual bevel, and you can select between the two when you're selecting those. Now from Craftsman, I had not seen this setup before at least, but it's a 3/8 drive ratchet for $14, or at least I have not seen this packaging from them before. So you get this 3/8 ratchet, and right next to it here you get the 34, it's a 1/4 38-piece socket set, and that's for $34. And this is the case here. It's an interesting case. I have not seen this case before, but it's saying it's got 3.75-degree arc swing. It's arc swing, has a 6-piece kit. And then from Kobalt, these were almost all gone. It's this 21-piece drill and drive set. It's $14. Pretty simple standard set. They probably sold a lot of these with Christmas, but still a pretty good deal. I do not remember what the cost of these were for Christmas. Now these are the 50-piece sets, drill and drive sets. It says it's a $75 value. Of course, you wouldn't pay that for this, but pretty decent price on those at $19. Now for $19, you can get a 2-pack of a 25-foot compact tape measure. This is from Kobalt. It's drop resistant. It's got that nice rubberized coating on the outside to protect it. Now they had some Klein tools as well in this little setup. Don't worry, I will get into the bundle tool sets as well and the power tools in just a moment. Now from Klein Tools, this has a 13-foot straight reach, 25-foot max reach on these, and that's a 2 kit. For $29, it's a $43 value on this Klein Tools test kit. So you just go ahead and plug it in, and you can see if you have power. This does come with batteries as well on this one. Now for $14, they've got some gloves. It's a $24 value, and this is actually a 5-pack of gloves. At first I thought it was just a double pack of gloves, but you're getting a 5-pack here, so quite a few gloves. $19. I think this is the same price as Christmas. Maybe it was a little bit less on Black Friday. I think Black Friday, I want to say this was $15, but still not too bad. Now for $25, this was $29. This is a 6-in-1 metric flip socket set. Has the color coatings here, SAE, 6-in-1 metric, and then right next to it you have the blackout screwdriver set, or the blackout series. And I do like these. These are made in the USA. They're saying they're limited edition. Now check out these Christmas bags. They had these. I actually thought I was going to pick one up, but for $15, they were $24. 7.5-foot rolling tree bag. We have one, but ours has holes in it, and there's metal parts sticking through. So definitely a good deal on these. And they had 75% off on all holiday decor. You can imagine that. They had a few things left. Ideally, if I came maybe the 1st of January or before, I would have been able to get more. But this is an 18-gallon tote for $5. I mean, these are just standard totes. They're not like their orange and black ones, which are pretty sturdy, but you can stack a few of them on them if you have Christmas lights or extra decorations you bought but you'd need to store. And next up, we have this Tahoma 900 cover house. It's $35. So this is for your grill here. It's an auto feed 900 cover. I guess it's just for that model. But anyways, I'm actually filming with 0.5 here. So let me know if you like this better or if you like the regular one perspective. Now this is a patio bistro. It's red, it's electric, it's $79. It has an 80 square foot warming rack, and this is from Charbroil. It has the true infrared tech on it, so it's not charcoal, it's electric. Now this kind of reminds me of basically just kitty litter. It's fry away oil. Basically you put it in oil. It's a powder that, you know, makes it hard. And these are some cooking things. They did have some deals on some cedar planks and some glazes. These were basically $3. They were $9. So as long as these are good, it's a good time to get them. Basically some deals on grilling stuff, but not so much as on the outdoor equipment, which could be understood. This is a DeWalt deal. It's $149 for this 2-tool kit. And then $25 for this case combo set. It was $34. I had to kind of do a little switch there because someone like walked right up on me and just kind of like went right around me and grabbed something, so I cut the film at that point. This is a pizza oven for $239. It's $299. It's a Uni Karu 12. This is on clearance. I have not even seen this before, but It looks pretty cool. They actually have it on the showcase. It's kind of right out there, so it must not be something that, I don't know why it's on clearance, is what I'm trying to say. Now from Skil, they had these 4-volt twist screwdrivers for $19, and they had this kind of weird looking screw gun. This one, when I tried to power it on, I don't know if it wasn't plugged in or what, but now these are from Skil. It's a 12-volt flip drill kit for $79 and $99. You get the 2-tool kit with the batteries. Now I haven't seen this one, or at least this deal. I think this is $99 for this Kobalt. You get the 2 batteries, impact driver, or the drill kit. And this is the Kobalt impact driver here you can test out. Now for $13.47, you get this plier kit. Now these are mini pliers with the nice rubberized handles, and they said they have a lifetime warranty. I cannot speak apparently. Now this is a 3-piece locking plier set. You've got the 6.5-inch, 7 and 10-inch on this one. And apparently all these have lifetime warranties if you need them. 3-piece adjustable wrench set. This is a nice metal chrome wrench set and same measurements. This one's 6, 8, and 10 inches. And then you've got the groove pliers. It's the 3-pack for $14. Again, they've had this one for months. Your choice for $149. I think these were $199 and the other one's like $200 something. But this is the 2-tool combo kit, 24-volt max, 5 and 3-year warranties on the tool and battery. And it's going to include the charger as well as the battery. And this one is the impact wrench kit. And that one was, I think it's a $229. And it's $149. $19 on all these. You get these 5-piece plier sets, kind of a combo plier set. And down below you get this screwdriver bit set. This is kind of one of those combo ones. It's automatic, it's rechargeable as well, but you can kind of store the screw bits in it, it looks like. $19, it was $29. You get this 18-piece screwdriver set, and as well as the mini precision ones. I really like that because you're going to need to use those around the house with batteries, basically. You know, those little candles that light up, or with eyeglasses, those really come in handy. Now this is a wrench kit as well. They had these like wrapped up for $59. It was $99. Now this is a new product. It says it's an LED work light for $27. I don't see what the price was before, but let's go ahead and test this out. Pretty decent work light. I think it's magnetic as well. Rechargeable, and it's saying impact resistant. 1000 lumens, so that's not too bad. And I think the one next to it is going to be 1500 lumens. That's going to be $49. And this is for a clamp light. It's a rechargeable clamp light. Yeah, 1500 lumens. It's dimmable and water resistant, which is nice. Has a 3-year warranty. And the next up for $99, you can select one of these 3. You get the 2-tool kit, pancake compressor, or the SAE and metric mechanics toolkit. It was $169, but now it's, I think it was at $99 for all of them. This is the pancake air compressor. It's a 6-gallon compressor, 150 max PSI, oil free as well, and that's going to be $99. And then this is the 2-tool kit. You get the 2 batteries, charger, and the contractor bag here. And this is part of their VersaTrack line. Now, if this is from Kobalt, you get a free select tool when you buy one of these, the $149 plus the free tool, or the $249 plus the free tool, depending on the 4-piece kit, or if you want the contractor case with the 2 batteries. Now, I believe these are some of the different tools you can get with this deal. Looks like the cutoff tool, multi-tool jigsaw, and I believe there's a job site radio and polisher as well, but you can rewind and look to see if I'm correct in the video, just to look at that sign for surety, I suppose. Now this is that 4-tool combo kit you're going to get. This is $249. You're getting the 5 and 3-year warranty. With this, you're getting the light, jigsaw, not the jigsaw, the cutoff tool, impact driver, and this does come with the charger and battery, of course. And this is that tool storage suitcase with 24-volt starter kit, and you're getting a, I think it says 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour battery, charger, and then the storage case. Now, I haven't seen this from Bosch. $998, you're getting this 7-piece reciprocating saw blade set. I at least haven't seen this setup. I think these may be new, or at least the setup is new here. So that's the 7-blade kit. And Bosch still has this your choice for $99 with all their laser levels. They have the 100-foot LDM for $39. I think this is actually the 50-foot here. But they have, I think, a 50-foot, a 75, a 66-foot with their laser levels. Yeah, 165, I'm sorry. 165-foot, and then a 60-foot. And from Kobalt, you're going to get this for $199. It's a 6-gallon compressor with 3-tool kit. So you're getting the 3 different tools with the hose, or you can get the $129 just compressor by itself. Now for $379, they have this 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. So this is what this looks like. It was a pretty hefty, nice back here. Crown molding up to 7.5 inches. It says miter stops at 45 degrees left and 57 right. 4,300 RPMs with 15 amps. And this was a nice tool as far as how it looked. So, and then from DeWalt, you're going to buy one, get one free with this. When you buy the Extreme kit, you're going to get one of these 12-volt max tools for free. So I was trying to look for the kit, but I did not see it. I'm sure they have it, they just didn't have it right out there. Now this is for $199. This is their 6-tool kit, I believe. You can see everything that you're getting here. It does also come with the 2 2-amp-hour batteries, charger, and then the case. And then right next to it from Klein Tools, they had the new lower prices. $119 it was $139, and $69 it was $84 on these mod boxes they had. So the larger ones are the $119 and then $69 for the smaller one here. Now from Craftsman, your choice of basically these for $39. Caulk gun, it was $59, and then it's now $39. Hand vacuum. Now I believe these are the tools only, okay? So detail sander, high pressure inflator, soldering iron, and rotary tool. So you will need your own, or you will need a battery. This does not come with a battery, it's a tool only. They just want to make you aware of that. So that's a rotary tool. Here we have the detail sander, and this one is the tool only. Down below we have the hand vacuum here. Kind of looks like, just reminds me of an old dust buster, probably more powerful one. But and then from Metabo, you've got these pro deals. $99 for the 18-volt impact driver kit, $169 for their 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, and then $199 for their 23-gauge pin nailer. And I thought they were going to do where you get a free tool with these. They used to have the box like that. Do you remember? They had it on the actual box, but I guess they stopped that deal now. Now for $99, you can get these deal kits from DeWalt. These are some pretty good deals. You have the impact driver drill, multi-tool. You can get the 2 batteries for $99, or down on the right, I wasn't sure what that was at first, but it was $189. It's the wet drive axe, and that one comes with the battery and charger. Now from Bosch, you're going to buy one 18-volt 8-amp-hour 2-pack of batteries, or an 18-volt 8-amp-hour starter kit, and you get 1 free tool, or 1 free nailer. I think it's a free Profactor nailer. I can't speak. Now from Flex, you're going to be getting a free tool when you buy this 24-volt. I'm sorry, when you buy a power tool, you get a free battery kit, or the other way around. So you get a free battery kit when you buy one of these tools. It's $129 value here. And these are all the different tools. I'm not going to name all of these, but you can pause it here if you want to zoom in. It's basically all of their tools right there. Now this one is cool. It's from Flex. It's $50 off at $249. It's their rolling tower. So you're getting all this for $249. Has a nice handle here. And then when you open it up, here, watch this. It has a little pneumatic arm that opens it all the way after you open it past a certain point. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. It just kind of popped open, and then it shows different ways you can use it here and different ways you can store things that are the most beneficial. So kind of impressed by this. I think price is not too bad at $249. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper at Black Friday, but I don't remember seeing this at that time. Now, the kind of more of a lowdown here, I did not really see many deals on the mechanics sets. They had some deals on individual pieces, but not the mechanics sets from Craftsman altogether. So those are those deals. Those kits over here, the black and the red ones, earlier they had some deals on those. Now they're back to normal price. But they did have some deals on the more individualized tools, but those are going to be based on your store.